Hello friends, welcome back with another video. I am Jonathan Mark, software engineering first year student at Java Institute. In this video, I'm gonna explain the database management system question number 4. Let's see the question. You have given the institute to develop the school system of Kegalu Mahavidyalaya. Your part is this software is to create a database. With this software, you can easily manage all student information, all teachers information, class schedules, etc. The first question under question set 4 is use Kegalu Vidyalaya DB as the name of the database. For this, draw ER diagrams. And the second question is create a table to store student information and their guardian information. Follow the instruction below when creating this table. These are the two tables for student and the guardian. And the third question is name the relationship between the two tables, student and guardian, that you set up above. Mark it in the ER diagram you created. And the fourth question is a teacher teaches several subjects and the subject teaches several teachers. Create a teacher and subject table using the appropriate relationship. Follow the instruction below to create this table. Create an ER diagram. These are the tables for teachers and subject. In this video, first let's talk about first, second, third questions. And after we'll discuss about fourth question. To create a database and draw ER diagrams, let's open MySQL Workbench. To draw ER diagrams, click on File and click on New Model, and now double click on MyDB and name the database name as Kegalu Vidyalaya DB. We done the first question and we'll create the student table and guardian table. Click on the icon to create the table and let's fill the table. Table name is student and the first column name is index number. Data type is varchar, length is 10. Index number is the primary key for the student table, and the second column name is first name. Data type varchar, length 45, not null. The next column is last name. Data type varchar, 45 length is and not null. And gender varchar and the length is 10, not null. And the other column name is contact number. Data type is varchar, length is 10, not null. And the last column name for the student table is address, varchar, and the length is 60, not null. Remember to put the not null. And let's create the table for the guardian. Click on the table icon and let's fill the information. The table name is guardian and the first column name is guardian ID. Data type varchar and length is 10. This is the primary key for the guardian, and the next column is first name varchar 45, not null. Another column name is last name, that is also varchar 45, not null. And other column name is gender. The data type is varchar and the length is 10, not null. And the last column name is contact number varchar, the length is 10, and not null. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is, name the relationship between the two tables, student and the guardian. The relationship is multiple children can have one guardian and one guardian can have multiple children. This is the relationship between that two tables. The student side is many and guardian side is one. So we'll select a relationship 1 to many and 1 to many. This is the relationship. The fourth question is, a teacher teaches several subjects and one subject teaches several teachers. Create a teacher and subject table using the appropriate relationship. Follows the instruction below to create this table. Create an ER diagram. To create this ER diagram for these two tables, let's open MySQL Workbench again. Click on the table icon and let's fill the table. The table name is teacher. The first column name is teacher register number. The vacha is 10. The teacher register number is the primary key for the table teacher. And the next column name is first name. Data type is vacha, length 45, not null. Last name, data type is vacha, 45, not null. The next column name is gender, data type is vacha and the length is 10. And the contact number and the data type is vacha, length is 10. The last column name is email, data type is vacha and the length is 50. All should be not null. Let's create another table and click on the table icon. Let's fill the table and the table name is subject. First column name is subject ID, data type is vacha and the length is 10. The subject ID is the primary key for the table subject. And the second column name is subject name and the vacha 45, not null. And now let's add the relationship for those two tables. Here we have the two tables, teacher table and the subject table, and the relationship between these two tables is a teacher can teach many subjects and a subject can have multiple teachers to teach. Here we get a many-to-many relationship. Yes, we get a many-to-many relationship table also. Teacher has subject. At last, we have to do another thing. We want to make relationship between student table and the subject table. The relationship between the student table and the subject table is a student can study many subjects and a subject can be studied by multiple students. Here we get many-to-many relationship. So therefore we get a student has subject relationship table between student table and the subject table. And at last we'll remove the primary key for the relationships tables. Teacher has students and the student has subjects, and we all done. Thank you for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome back with this another video. This video is continuity of question set 4. This is a ER diagram and let's forward engineer this ER diagram. Click on next, next, next. This is a database query and click on next. Close it and open SQL. Input your password, and now you can refresh the head to see our database. This now you can see Kegalu Vidyalaya DB. There are our tables: guardian, student, subject, teacher. Student has subject relationship table and teacher has subject relationship table. Thank you for watching.